model, 2014 VAUXHALL Movano F3500 L3H1 2.3 Cdti Luton low loader box van spare OR repairs. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 277,137. Engine, 2299 cc 2.3125 pse 5D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs need injector 2 and 3 replacing. Also, the gearbox mount has snapped and damaged the driveshaft, fearful face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.